Hey guys, it's your friend Kelly Dill here with Off the Beaded Path Beadstore.com. Thanks so much for joining me today as it is my last video for 2023. In today's video, short and sweet, it is our year in review. So what you want to do is you want to head on over to Off the Beaded Path Beadstore.com. This is a completely free download. And basically what this is this is broken down by month for you. And it has each video that I came out with each month. If there was a pattern that went along with that video, a link to the pattern is there as well. So this is a 4-page download with all of those links. So if you missed a video in 2023, you can grab that free review sheet and make sure that you have seen all of the videos and seen all of the projects from this year. Now, the great thing about this is hyperlinked. So if you are looking at this document on a computer or tablet or your phone, you can simply click on the link and it will take you directly to it. No matter if it's a PDF, you can click it and it's going to take you directly to it. I just want to thank you so much for all of your support in 2023. Thank you for watching my videos and hanging out with me this year as we did so many really cool, incredible projects. And I hope that we can have some really fun projects to do in 2024. So I wish all of you a very happy holiday season and a super happy new year. Our store here will be closed until January the 3rd, and we will be back in on January the 4th. And I look forward to seeing you then. So you guys have a great one. Have a happy new year. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.